Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If your little one is as obsessed with trains as much as my little nephew is, then you're gonna wanna check out this train set from JUQU. This set comes with so many bells and whistles to turn your child's playtime into a full interactive experience. It's really cool because it mimics a real life train. So it has the lights, the smoke, the train sounds, and even comes with traffic signs and trees to really make it come to life. It also comes with a remote control that lets you change the speed of the train. There's a button to activate the train sounds. And it lets you put the train in reverse. My nephew has a ton of trains around the house, but this was the first train he has that actually goes backwards. So he thought that was really, really cool. So you do have to be fairly close to the train for the remote to work, but we were super impressed with how fast it responds as soon as you hit the button. So my nephew purposely laid some trees across the track so he could hit the stop button real fast and prevent the train from crashing into the tree. So he's 3.5 years old and he's able to connect the tracks together and the cargo cars without any difficulty. He even took some of his cargo cars from a different train set and connected it to this set in order to make the train a little bit longer. This train set keeps him busy literally all day long. And because he uses it so much, we have been having to recharge it multiple times a day in order for it to keep going. From the moment he wakes up to the moment he goes to bed, this train set has been his new favorite toy, and I'm sure your little one will like it too. And that's my point of view.